Can we start practicing English conversation?
Absolutely. I am ready when you are.
Yeah, I'm also ready. Can you please select a good topic for us?
How about we talk about travel? Have you been anywhere interesting lately?
Yeah, I was interested and I visited Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
That's really cool. Gorakhpur sounds like an interesting place. What did you enjoy the most about your visit? Was it the temples, the food, or something else?
The temple I visited there was so cool. It was so amazing. I had a great experience there.
That's wonderful. I'm glad you had a great time. Which temple did you visit? I'd love to hear more about it.
I know you would be thinking that I was talking right now to one of my friends, but it's not like that. I was talking to one of the best AI tools. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes. Today in this video, I'm going to reveal the secret application, the secret AI tool by which I have helped many students to improve their spoken English. And many of us have the problem that I don't have speaking English partner. I don't know where should I practice and who should I practice with. So today in this video, you'll get the solution. Make sure to watch this entire video till the end. In the next 2 minutes, I'll be making you understand how to use that particular application in the correct format, where to download it from, and how to use it for your spoken English benefits. I'm damn sure that if you understand and if you practice at least 10 to 15 minutes per day on this application, you will observe a great change in your speaking style, in your confidence, and your entire journey of spoken English. So what are we waiting for? Now, without wasting your time, let me quickly inform you all about this wonderful application, and that is Gemini. I hope you would have heard the name of this application, but today I will make it very easy for all of you, and I'll show you practically how you should try this application for the betterment, for improving your English speaking style. And the most important part, that it does not require any charges. It is absolutely free of cost. कितनी तारीफ करूँ इस एप्लीकेशन के बारे में, आप खुद ही इस चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करिए। और यहाँ पे स्लाइड आप जो देख रहे होंगे, मेरे फ़ोन के वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग को आप ऑब्जर्व करते रहिए और पता चलेगा आपको कि कैसे आप इंस्टॉल कर लेना है, ताकि इस फ़ोन को इस 2025 में सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल वो आपके लिए प्रूफ होना चाहिए, ताकि आप सही से स्पोकन इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सके और अपनी पर्सनालिटी को और इन्हांस कर सके। तो ये रहा एप्लीकेशन जिसको मैं अभी सर्च कर रहा हूँ। इसमें आप ऐसे सर्च करेंगे Gemini and you will get this application right over there. After installing it, it is already installed in my mobile phone, so I'll not again install it, right? And once it is downloaded, you will open it from here, Gemini. And here you see the mic option and the camera option, right? You don't need to click on that. You directly go on the live chat. Now automatically it will be started once you tap the live button, and now you can start talking to this AI application. Hi, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you today?
I'm really well, and can we decide a topic of English to talk about so that we can practice and you can help me in order to practice my spoken English?
All right. How about we talk about a time you went on an adventure? Maybe a hike, a road trip, or even just exploring a new city?
Well, I recently explored a city called Gorakhpur.
That's cool. So, you explored Gorakhpur. What did you enjoy most about the city? Was there anything that surprised you?
Well, I visited only a place that's to a temple, and only that temple I visited.
Oh, okay. So you mainly visited one place, which was a temple.
Correct.
That's interesting. What kind of temple was it? And what made it special to you?
It was really fascinating. It was really a great experience for me. That temple is named as Gorakhnath Temple.
The Gorakhnath temple sounds like it has a rich history. What made your visit there so fascinating?
Gemini,
Was it the
can we change the topic? Can we talk something else?
Sure thing.
Can we
How
talk about
we
social
try-
media? Can we talk about social media?
Of course. Social media is a great topic to discuss. What are your thoughts on it? Do you think it's mostly positive or negative?
Mostly I feel it is positive, because just because social media I am right now connected to you.
That's a great point. Social media has definitely opened up new ways for people to connect. It's how we're having this conversation right now. I'm curious though, do you think there are any downsides to social media that people should be aware of?
Yeah, exactly. There are so much, negative.
Okay, it sounds like you're talking about the negative impact social media can have on people's mental health. Is that right?
Exactly. You got it right. Can we talk right now? Can you help me to understand some basic rules of grammar?
Absolutely. I can definitely help you with some basic grammar rules. Where would you like to start? We could cover things like subject verb agreement, punctuation,
Yeah,
or how
sure,
to
sure,
use
sure.
different
Subject
punctuation.
verb agreement. That sounds good.
Absolutely. Let's start with subject verb agreement. Remember, it's all about making sure your verbs match up with your subjects. Here's the basic idea. Singular subjects need singular verbs. For example, she goes to the store. Plural subjects need plural verbs, like they go to the store. It seems simple, but it can get a little trickier. Sometimes the subject and verb are separated by a bunch of words, which can make it harder to spot the right match. Let's try an example. What's the subject and verb in this sentence? The group of students is working on a project.
Group of students is the subject and is our verb.
You're absolutely right that group of students is the subject. But here's the tricky part. Even though students is plural, the subject of the sentence is actually group. Since group is singular, the verb should also be singular. So is the correct verb form in this case.
All right. I have a work right now. Can we talk later?
Sure thing. Feel free to reach out whenever you're ready to chat again. Good luck with your work.
All right. So this was a kind of demonstration which I showed you right now how you need to practice when you are live talking to the next application, which is exactly an AI, works like an AI, right? Powered by Google. So I'm damn sure that if you practice it at least 10 to 15 minutes per day, you will see a great change within a month, within 10 days, 15 days, right? Because you will get a automatic habit of speaking English, right? English will come through your mouth. So that's superb. But the point is you have to follow the regularity. You have to use it for the good benefits, right? Make sure to practice it whenever you are free, whenever you are using mobile phone, and whenever even you are not free. Make sure to practice it because that's super important, because you want to improve your English. The 2024 is a complete waste. You have not improved it, right? In this 2025, you have to show, you have to rock, you have to learn that how to talk to people absolutely in English. So this application is a real game changer for all of us, right? So you must try this because there is no charge right now. The day is not so far that they'll also ask for the charges, so it's better to switch it over that application. So make sure to start using it, and for some interesting videos, for these interesting videos, make sure to subscribe this channel because that's also very important. We prepare a lot of good contents for all of you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.